there, I'm Alex from WTI, and I'm so thrilled with this awesome drafting chair that I got from Kulu. Let me show you how awesome it is and what I use it for. So I recently had this custom desk built for my crafting room, and it's about 34 inches high. That's why I needed the drafting chair, because I wanted to have a specific height to sit at my desk. So this is about perfect. I love this PVC leather that it's made out of, and it can go as really high too if you actually are using a drafting table for that purpose as well. Super easy to put together. It rolls so well, and the bearings are really good too. So I'm a big girl and I want to be comfortable and confident sitting in a chair for long periods of time and not have to worry about it breaking down on me. This chair is not going to let me down. I can feel confident sitting in this chair for long periods of time. It's actually really comfortable. I just love how it looks with my table. I think it complements it really well. I know you're gonna love it too, and that's my point of view.